So play with yours by the. All right, so there he is, right there.
Yeah, great.
All right. Spots. Be a slot fish, but it's definitely a nice one. You got one? Yeah, you got one. You got some. Yep, you got one. Catch that fish in that net. Hand me that net right there, Grady. I think it may be a keeper. Check it out. That looks like it's going to keep. That boat. Bring your rod tip towards the other shore. Keep working that rod tip towards the other shore. Taking you that way. Oh yeah, he's a nice fish. Got him, but